Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. Pray that you all are doing well. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, right here guys, I'm gonna make some cornmeal porridge with this is the cornmeal. So I'm gonna make some cornmeal porridge and I'm gonna use condensed milk to sweeten the porridge. I'm gonna add some vanilla, and right here is some salt that I'm gonna also put into the porridge. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe, comment and share. And so let's get into the cooking guys. So guys, when I was younger and even now, I used to make them, when you're making cornmeal porridge, they usually had the cornmeal to cold water, but then I find out that you don't have to do that guys. So if you're making porridge guys, once the water start to get warm, you just pour the water guys. Right here is too thick guys, so it's splashing up. So guys, if it is too thick, you just boil some water and pour in it to thin it out guys. So this is what I'm doing. I'm thinning down the porridge because it's too thick. So I just boil some water guys. So here you go, some hot water, boiling water, and you just pour it in to, you know, to thin it out guys. Don't use cold water guys because it's gonna cool down the cornmeal that is already start cook. So you just add some boiling water and thin out the porridge guys right there. So guys, all this time I'm making porridge, adding the cornmeal to cold water and then pour it into the boiling water. Now you see that you don't have to do that. You just pour the cornmeal in the warm water and keep stirring until it get thick. So guys, now you learn a new way to make cornmeal porridge. So guys, right here is still a little bit too thick. I'm adding some more boiling water. So guys, don't use cold water because it's gonna slow down the pot and then you're gonna have to wait on it to boil all over again. So you just, as I said guys, you just pour your cornmeal a little bit at a time and keep stirring it up until it thicks up. After it thick up guys, if it is too thick, boil some water ahead of time guys. Boil some water ahead of time. So if it is too thick, then you're gonna use that boiling water to pour into the porridge and, you know, keep it cooking. So guys, this is a new way to make cornmeal porridge. You don't have to add the cornmeal to cold water to put it in the hot water. You just pour your cornmeal in the warm water and keep stirring until it starts to thick up. After it thick up, if it is too thick, you add your boiling water that you had on this side to the porridge. So right here guys, you see I get the consistency that I want. Right here, nice consistency. It is not as thick as before, and so you're gonna let this stay here and cook for another 10 minutes or so to make sure the cornmeal is well cooked. So guys, this is another way to make your cornmeal porridge. So guys, right here I'm gonna let this stay here. I'm gonna turn up my stove and I'm gonna let it cook. And so guys, I will be back.